What is micropore tape? Micropore tape is a product that is used as a part of wound care, especially for wounds that have compromised delicate skin or sensitive skin. This kind of wound tape is often used when treating elderly patients who commonly have thin skin. The tape can be found in most drugstores and pharmacies, comes in various widths, and is usually available in white or tan. The material that is used to make this tape has pores that are 2 nanometers in diameter or, in some cases, even smaller. The pores in the tape make the product breathable, meaning that the skin that is underneath the tape has a better chance of healing than skin covered in non-breathable products. One of the benefits of micropore tape is that because it is so gentle on the skin, it can be used when dressing wounds that need to be treated and dressed frequently. Surgical tapes or first aid tapes that are a bit more harsh on the skin can irritate the skin when they are applied and reapplied frequently over a course of days or weeks. It is important to keep the skin around a wounded area as healthy and protected as possible in order to promote healing. Also, if skin around a wound becomes irritated or broken, there is a risk of infection and further complications. Some people who have especially sensitive skin keep micropore tape in their first aid kits at home. People with sensitive or delicate skin can use this tape for even minor wounds and wounds that do not need regular dressing changes. Sometimes, in the film and television industry, micropore tape is also used to affix microphones to the skin. This is especially common when the people who are being recorded have thin or sensitive skin. In these cases, the tape in tan color is often used so that it blends in with the skin. The various thicknesses of micropore tape are used to treat various sizes of wounds. For example, a small cut, scrape, or incision might be dressed using tape that comes in a small width. When a large area of skin is being treated, on the other hand, thicker micropore tape may be needed in order to hold the dressings in place. In a pinch, however, almost any thickness will work to affix a wound dressing to the skin.